Want to train like Mike Tyson? Well, here's a lightened version of his workout, but it's still pretty tough. Warm up. Dynamic stretching, 5 minutes. Leg swings, front to back and side to side. Arm circles, forward and backward. Torso twists. High knees, butt kicks. Light jogging, 20 minutes. Start with a slow pace and gradually increase to a moderate intensity. Focus on smooth and controlled breathing. Sparring with heavy bag total, 6 rounds, 2 minutes each. Incorporate jabs, crosses, hooks, uppercuts, and kicks. Focus on footwork, head movement, and maintaining a consistent pace. Keep the punches and kicks controlled, emphasizing technique over speed. Strength training circuit, 3 sets, minimal rest between exercises. Push-ups, 50 reps. Maintain a straight line from head to heels. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Shrugs with 30 kg, 50 reps. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lift shoulders toward your ears, then lower. Keep a straight back and engaged core. Dips, 50 reps. Use parallel bars or sturdy furniture. Lower your body until your upper arms are parallel to the ground. Push back up through your triceps. Neck crunches, 50 reps. Lie on your back with hands behind your head. Lift your head and shoulders off the ground. Focus on using your neck muscles, not your hands. Lower body circuit, 3 sets, minimal rest between exercises. Squats, 50 reps. Feet shoulder width apart. Sit back and down, keeping knees in line with toes. Chest up and back straight. Sit-ups, 50 reps. Lie on your back with knees bent. Sit up, engaging your core. Lower back down with control. Sparring with heavy bag, total 3 rounds, 2 minutes each. Similar to the earlier rounds, focus on technique and maintain a consistent pace. Use this as an opportunity to practice specific combinations and footwork. Cardio and cool down. Exercise bike, 20 minutes. Maintain a moderate pace. Adjust resistance based on your fitness level. Focus on steady pedaling and controlled breathing. Cool down. Static stretching, 5-10 minutes. Stretch major muscle groups, holding each stretch for 15-30 seconds. Include stretches for the arms, legs, back, and neck. Additional tips. Hydration. Drink water throughout the workout to stay hydrated. Rest. Take 1-2 minutes of rest between strength training sets. Form. Ensure proper form in all exercises to prevent injuries. Progression. Gradually increase the intensity or duration as your fitness level improves. Remember, this is a challenging workout, so adjust the intensity based on your fitness level, and feel free to modify the plan to better suit your individual needs and preferences. If you have any health concerns or conditions, consult with a fitness professional or healthcare provider before starting the routine.